Trucks with the best fuel efficiency. Pickup trucks are undeniably a significant part of our culture. They have played a crucial role in constructing our infrastructure and providing access to remote areas and a wide range of recreational activities. However, trucks have not been known for their fuel efficiency due to their boxy shapes and considerable weight, which negatively impacts their gas mileage. Times are changing, though, as trucks are becoming more economical, and there are also smaller alternatives emerging. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on issues related to cars and their essential components. I share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Today, I will be talking about an essential and exciting topic: trucks with the best fuel efficiency. So, which pickup truck offers the best fuel efficiency in the United States? The answer depends on the truck class you're considering. In this list, we'll focus exclusively on internal combustion engine trucks, as comparing electric trucks to ICE trucks isn't straightforward. Most of these trucks are two-wheel drive models, as they tend to deliver better mileage, but we'll also highlight a few four- or all-wheel drive options. Unsurprisingly, the resurgence of compact pickups has transformed the truck market. In many cases, these smaller trucks are perfectly sized for many shoppers who prefer not to carry unnecessary weight. The simplest answer to the question above is the Ford Maverick Hybrid, boasting an impressive EPA estimate of 37 mpg for combined city and highway driving. It comes equipped with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain. While it offers 191 horsepower and a continuously variable transmission, it may not be as capable off-road or for towing as some other trucks. However, if your primary need is to haul cargo, you won't find a better option. The Ford Maverick's 4.5 feet bed also has a slight advantage over its only competitor, the Hyundai Santa Cruz, which features a 4 feet bed and an estimated 23 mpg. 2023 Ford Maverick 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, 37 mpg combined. What about midsize trucks? If you require more capability than small trucks offer, the Jeep Gladiator takes the lead in the midsize category. Powered by a 3.0-liter turbodiesel V6, it achieves a rating of 24 mpg. Equipped with standard four-wheel drive, a 5 feet bed, and a towing capacity of 6,500 pounds, the Gladiator is significantly more capable, although it's more geared towards off-roading than typical truck duty. This makes the Jeep Gladiator the best 4x4 truck with good gas mileage. However, it's worth noting that Jeep's EcoDiesel won't be available for long, as it's being phased out by the automaker. 2023 Jeep Gladiator 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine, 24 mpg combined. For those who require a midsize truck for more traditional on-road tasks, the Ford Ranger is a solid choice. Its 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine is estimated to deliver a competitive 23 mpg. When it comes to full-size trucks, they continue to dominate the market and require fewer compromises in terms of utility. The most fuel-efficient options are the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra Twins, which offer a 3.0-liter turbodiesel engine that can return 26 mpg. When properly equipped, they can tow up to 13,300 pounds. Although the Ford F-150 doesn't offer a diesel power plant, it comes with a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid, estimated at 25 mpg, and a towing capacity of 12,700 pounds. Ram's 15.0 diesel also deserves recognition for its estimated 24 mpg. 2023 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 3.0-liter Duramax diesel inline-6 engine, 26 mpg combined. On a lighter note, for those looking for a bit of fun, the lowest fuel economy is found in high-performance models like the Ford F-150 Raptor R and Ram 15.0 TRX, both estimated at a modest 12 mpg. What about heavy-duty trucks? For the most demanding tasks, heavy-duty trucks are essential, but they aren't required to disclose their fuel economy numbers publicly. Consumer Reports conducted its unofficial tests, revealing that the best estimates generally hover around 15 to 16 mpg. While this is a far cry from the Maverick's 37 mpg estimate, it's important to remember that a Ford F-350 can safely tow more than 7 of those compact pickups at a time. For most shoppers, price and capabilities are the primary factors influencing their decisions. However, this list provides valuable insights into what's available in the market and may persuade some buyers that the biggest truck isn't always the best choice. Having the right tool for the job, regardless of its size, is paramount. In conclusion, the truck market is evolving to offer more fuel-efficient options across different size classes. Whether you're looking for a compact pickup for everyday hauling or a full-size truck for heavy-duty tasks, There are choices that balance power and fuel efficiency to suit your needs. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more efficient and environmentally friendly trucks hit the road in the future, helping to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and lower our carbon footprint. So, whether you're an urban commuter or a rugged adventurer, there's likely a truck out there that meets your requirements while keeping your fuel costs in check. I appreciate your time to watch that interesting and educative video. I am sure you have got value. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. Catch you all next time.